Well, I spent the better part of Saturday working on the windshield wiper system of the '81 Silverado. I was just having all kinds of the washer spray wouldn't work, and the wipers would just go off randomly and different things like that. So I figured, well, just go ahead and fix it because it's a pretty nice day. And got it working pretty good now. And here's a few things I did to get it working better. I found a NOS wiper motor on eBay. That's the old one, but I got it for a pretty good price because the washer nozzle was broke. But I just swapped the one out that was on this motor originally, and it seems to work just fine. NOS wiper motor, very easy to install. Just those 3 bolts, and that pulls out, and there's one nut holding that transmission linkage on, and that's it. Here's the old motor. And there's that where that one nut goes that hooks up to the wiper linkage, and it bolts on the firewall about like that. Okay, another problem I was having with the wipers was I'd be going down the road and about every 5 minutes the wipers would go one time. So I figured this was the problem here, the delay module. This just got 3 plugs, 1, 2, 3. That just comes right out. And I had a spare one, I put it in. It still didn't quite solve the problems. It was doing something a little different. I can't remember now. Here's the wiper delay module out of the truck. I thought I could go online and find one, but they are hard to come by, so just open it up and see what was going on with it. I did find one of these in a restoration catalog one time, and I believe they wanted $135 for that. So in the meanwhile, I just took the fuse out of the wipers because I don't really drive that truck in the rain anyway. Just get all that stuff fixed right and have it if I need it. Okay, here's the circuit out of the case. And what I saw on it was one of these wires was rubbing up against this transistor here and rubbed a hole in it, so I thought maybe that would cause a little problem. So I rerouted that wire and repaired that hole in it, in the insulation. And then while I was in there, I replaced these 4 capacitors, and then touched up some soldering joints that looked a little bit bad, and put it all back together, put it back in the truck. It's working fine, so hopefully that solves that problem. Okay, the 4 capacitors I changed was the 100 microfarad at 16 volts, the 10 microfarad at 25 volts, a 33 microfarad at 16 volts, and on the other one, this blue one, it had a 5 microfarad at 35 volts, and all I had was a 4.7 at 50 volts. So I put that in there, and then come to find out this other module already has that 4.7 in it, so that should work okay. And that diode and resistor was already like that from the factory. It's not like that in the other module. so I don't know what the deal is there. But it's working good now, so this is my spare. I'll probably recap this one and have it for an extra one if that other one messes up again. And that's me in about 1983 or so, posing in front of the old '81 Silverado. So that truck was pretty new then.